I am going to take a lecture of Poisson distribution. In our previous lecture, we have already seen in the different types of the problems depend on a Poisson distribution. Okay, so this is again the next example, and this example is very interesting. Example is if 2% of light bulbs are defective. Okay, 2% of light bulbs are defective. Find the probability that number one, at least one is defective. Second, exactly 7 are defective. And third, we also find the probability of 1 less than x less than 8. Okay, that means we are given only the first one value, 2% of defective bulb. Okay, and after that we find the probability of at least one light bulb is defective, exactly 7 are defective, and 1 to 8. Between 1 to 8 we find the probability of defective bulb in a sample of 100. That means in this question we are given in the end number of trials is 100. That means in this question we are not defined, we use the binomial distribution or Poisson distribution. Okay, so we confused. But according to our number of trials, number of samples is 100. So 100 is large quantity. So we use the Poisson distribution. Okay, so in the solution, first we consider let P be the probability of defective bulbs. Defective bulbs. Okay, that means P is equal to the probability of the defective bulb is 2%. So P is equal to 2%. That means 2 by 100 is equal to 0.0. Got it? So first we write here the probability of the defective bulb. Okay, after that we are given in the n is equal to 100 because of sample of 100. So the mean of the Poisson distribution is lambda, that is mu. Lambda is equal to np. Okay, so we put here the value of n. N is equal to 100. So we put here 100 into E, the probability of success 0.02. Got it? So here the value of lambda is equal to 2. Okay, we have already seen in our first lecture for Poisson distribution, the number of trials should be infinitely large and the success is very small. So here the probability of success is 0.02, but the number of trials is 100. Okay, so this is the lambda is equal to 2. So our next term is let capital X be the random variable which denotes the number of defective bulbs in a sample of 100. So the probability of X, so we write here the formula of the Poisson distribution. P capital X is equal to X, E is equal to e raised to the power minus lambda to the power X upon factorial X, where X is equal to 0, 1 up to so on. Okay, so here lambda is equal to 2. So put here P X is equal to X is equal to e raised to the power minus 2, 2 raised to the power X upon factorial X. Okay, here X is equal to 0, 1 up to so on. Okay, so our next step is first we find the at least one light bulb is defective. That means we find the probability of at least one. That means the lower limit is 1 and upper limit is so on. Okay, so we write here P X is greater than equal to 1. Got it? So P X greater than equal to 1, that means for X is equal to 1, X is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. Okay, so we write here again. A trick is what? The total probability is 1. So we write this term 1 minus p x less than 1. Okay, so 1 minus p x less than 1, that means p x is equal to 0. Okay, so 1 minus e raised to the power minus 2, 2 raised to the power 0, because of here x is equal to 0, divided by factorial 0. Factorial 0 is equal to 1. So after solving this step, we get the answer is 0.8647. Okay. Second question is exactly 7 bulbs are defective. Exactly 7. So exactly 7, that means what? Here we write the probability of x is equal to 7. Got it? So put x is equal to 7 in this Poisson distribution formula. So e raised to the power minus 2, 2 raised to the power 7 divided by factorial 7. Okay, so after solving this value, we get the answer is 0.0034. Okay, this is the second answer. The third one is also find probability of 1 less than x less than 8. That means what? The value of x 1 to 8, between 1 to 8. So, third question is probability of 1 less than x less than 8. That means solve this term. We write here probability of x is equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 3. Okay, plus probability of x is equal to 4 plus probability of x is equal to 5 plus probability of x is equal to 6 plus probability of x is equal to 7. Got it? Because of here the value of x is between 1 to 8 and here the sign is less than, not in less than equal to. In case this sign is converted into less than equal to, then we include 1 and 8 number also. Okay, but here the term is 1 less than x less than 8. So we write here probability of x equal to 2 to x is equal to 7. In other term, we write here summation x is equal to 2 to 7. So we write here x is equal to 2 to 7 e raised to the power minus 2, 2 raised to the power x upon factorial x. Okay, so open this term x is equal to x with the help of Poisson distribution and our final answer is 0.5929. Okay, so this is the example of the Poisson distribution. Our next example is if a Poisson distribution is such that 3 by 2 p x is equal to 1 is equal to p x is equal to 3 and we find the value of number 1 is probability of x greater than equal to 1 and the second is probability of x less than equal to 3. Okay, so first the solution is first we write the formula of the Poisson distribution. So the probability of x is equal to small x is equal to e raised to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x upon factorial x, where x is equal to 0, 1 up to so on. Okay, so the condition is 3 by 2 probability of x equal to 1 is equal to probability of x equal to 3. Okay, so firstly we open the formula with the help of Poisson distribution. So we write here 3 by 2 e raised to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 1 because of here x is equal to 1 divided by factorial 1. Okay, open this term, x is equal to 3, the small x is equal to 3. So e raised to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 3 divided by factorial 3. Okay, so here e raised to the power e raised to the power minus lambda is cancelled. So remaining term is 3 by 2 lambda is equal to lambda to the power 3 divided by factorial 3, that means 3 into 2 into 1, that means here 6. Okay, so the next term is 3 to the 6. Okay, so here 3 into 6 divided by 2 lambda is equal to lambda cube. That means here the 1 lambda is cancelled and 2 3 are 6. Okay, so the term is 9 is equal to lambda square. Okay, that means lambda is equal to plus minus 3. That means what? We have the two values. Lambda is equal to plus 3 and minus 3. But lambda is equal to mean, but mean is always positive. So we consider lambda is equal to plus 3. Okay, so the first we find the probability of x greater than equal to 1. Okay, so first is probability of p x greater than equal to 1. Okay, so in this term, the starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. So we write here 1 minus p x less than 1. Okay, so in this term we write if p x less than 1, that means we write here x is equal to 0, obviously. So we write p x is equal to 0. Got it? So according to our Poisson distribution, we write the value 1 minus lambda is equal to plus 3. So e raised to the power minus 3, 3 raised to the power 0, because of here the small x is equal to 0 and factorial 0. Okay. So for solving this term, we get the value of 0.950. Okay, first answer. Second one is we find the value of p x less than equal to 3. That means we x less than equal to 3. That means what? Probability of x equal to 0, probability of x equal to 1, probability of x equal to 2, and the probability of x is equal to 3. Because of here the value of x is less than equal to 3, then we consider 3 also. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So after solving this term, that means here we use the Poisson distribution, that means e raised to the power minus 3, 3 raised to the power 0 divided by factorial 0, e raised to the power minus 3, 3 raised to the power 1 divided by factorial 1, e raised to the power minus 3, 3 raised to the power 2 divided by factorial 2, and here e raised to the power minus 3, 3 raised to the power 3 divided by factorial 3. So our final answer is 0.647. Okay, so I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.